Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super thick, creamy and tasty banana smoothie, which can be a quick 5-minute dessert for any time. You can customize this according to your taste. You can add other fruits or you can add other flavors. Here I've chosen chocolate to be the flavor, so it's a chocolate banana smoothie, or it's more like a chocolate banana thick dessert. So if you want to know my version of this chocolate banana smoothie, then please keep on watching. So to get started, all you need is a cup of milk, a whole banana, make sure that it's really ripened, some ice cream. I choose tender coconut ice cream. It adds a different flavor to the dessert, which I really like. And here I have Hershey's chocolate syrup. You can even add concentrated chocolate powders or cocoa powder, but I really like to add a syrup because it adds more flavor. Now to start off with the blending process, I like to add half a banana first and then add 2 whole spoons of the tender coconut ice cream. Then add the whole cup of milk. Add the rest of the bananas, and finally I like to add the chocolate syrup. I'm just eyeballing the syrup into it, but you can add how much ever you want according to how much flavor you want in your smoothie. So this is the ingredients for 1.5 cup of the smoothie or the dessert. This is perfect for one serving, but if you want more, then feel free to add more ingredients to increase the content. Now I'm just closing the blender and starting to blend. I'll first blend it to a good consistency and then make the whole content within the blender just to mix it with all the chocolate syrup that's been stuck onto the jar, and then I will blend it again. Make sure that you blend the whole thing really nicely so that when you're having it, you don't have any chunks coming in between, so that it has more like an ice cream consistency, which is really good for a dessert. Once blended, add the whole thing into your favorite jar and then decorate it. But honestly, I'm pretty bad at decorating my food, so I've just added a little bit of the chocolate syrup on top and I called it. So that's our smoothie, you guys. As you guys can see, it's just nearly 1 to 1.5 cups of smoothie. You don't have a lot of it, but this is totally how much I would have it for one serving. That's why I gave you guys the ingredients for that much. But if you guys want, you can totally increase the contents. So there I'm having this smoothie just to show you guys that it's edible, totally edible. It's super sweet, it's super tasty. I really love it. You can even keep it in the refrigerator and use it later on. Since I added the cold ice cream into it, I didn't have to actually freeze it again. But as I said, you can customize it according to your needs, according to your likes. So this is how I like it. Anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for at least some of you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you for watching once again, you guys. Love you all. Bye.